Today, my friend, it's a little bit different because usually, all my posts is a lot of encouragement and there's a lot of also real talk. But today, I decided to really speak from the heart. It's not that I've not been speaking from the heart all the time, but this time I'm pretty sure a lot will also disagree on what I'm gonna say, especially those that are religious, especially those that have a strong faith, because I believe that it's gonna be hard to understand, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to relate myself. Masabi ko yung gusto kong sabihin, and at the same time, those words or these things that I'm gonna say won't offend you, but in fact will help a lot of you. If I'll be able to get that, to be able to help few individuals, few couples, well, I can be very happy because meaning I have done my part. Okay, so what it's all about. So today I just wanted to speak to you all regarding battling something or hanging into something that is very hard to be able to see the output. It's hard for us as a human being to be very happy or to be even happy, to feel that joy, that peace. And it's got nothing to do with money. It's not got to do with power. But it's all have something to do with relationship. Tungkol ito sa relationship. The reason I wanted to share from the heart and I wanted to help you because I know that some of you that's also in a relationship. You've probably been in a relationship for a long time. You've probably been in a relationship for quite a while. So if it's you, then it will help you a lot. If you're just recently in a relationship, it will help you more as well because you'll be able to save a lot of energy, a lot of time, a lot of effort. So I just wanted to share that, sometimes when we are very emotionally committed to something that we say to ourselves, we're not gonna give up, never say die spirit, yon. Lagi kong sinasabi yun, di ba? Lagi ko sinishare to never give up, to never surrender, to hang on to our faith, to hang on to things. Sometimes, my friend, it dawned on me. Today, it really dawned on me when I was driving home from work. And sometimes, no matter how, no matter what you do, things will not work as what you are hoping and planning. Ang hirap, di ba? There are a lot of times wherein we are battling something that beyond winnable. Yun bang whatever decision or whatever things go your way or went your way, walang panalo. There's no winner because there's someone gonna be hurt. There's someone's gonna be not, be able to understand what the other person is going through. Kasi, di ba, in a relationship, it's always like that, whether it's our friends, our families, our fiancé, our husband, or our wife, anything, even friendship sa work, di ba? Your colleagues, anything that involve relationship, it's always have that human element to it, that no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, no matter what circumstances that you are in, that you wanted to really get out of it and to win the situation or the battle. And sometimes it's just for nothing. Alam nyo, kung nasasaktan kayo, kung nahihirapan kayo, if you are struggling, if you are in that space wherein you have given it all, you have given a lot, your time, your effort, your money, everything, and it still doesn't work the way that you wanted it to be, well, I think sometimes you have to also exercise wisdom. You have to exercise na maybe it just doesn't meant to be. Maybe it just doesn't meant that you will be together, or his or her can continue to be your friend. Sometimes when you are hurting and nasasaktan ka na sobra-sobra and you gave it all, you have done everything humanly possible. You have prayed a lot. You have fasted. You have done everything, corporate prayers. And then hindi pa rin nagbabago. Maybe sometimes it's a part of us na hoping na lang na things will change, that things will be better. But in reality, it's just the way it is. It's just a chapter of your life. My friend, don't waste time. Don't try to fix things that are unfixable. Don't try to hold on to things that you should be giving up. O yan, sinabi ko na yung word na giving up. Ang hirap. Kasi giving up, there's such a connotation that you surrender, no? But, my friend, if you have given it all, the best you can, and nahihirapan ka, you're still hurting, you're still struggling, and there's no movement after all those years, no matter how many years that you're together, or how many years you know the person, how many years that you're a friend with that person, maybe it's time that you should look at giving up that relationship. Maybe it's time for you to let go. Maybe it's time for you to look after yourself. Maybe it's time for you to think about yourself. Maybe it's time for you to be a little bit selfish because you have given it all. And you think, especially if both of you tried very hard and ganun pa din, it's just like, it's like a carousel. You merry-go-round, paulit-ulit, things happening. And then, gising ka sa umaga, you wake up in the morning that you feel like you're deflated. There's no more excitement. It doesn't inspire you. It doesn't encourage you, but it doesn't make you a better person. Then I highly suggest maybe think about giving up, because your happiness depends on you, your decisions every day. We are all, sometimes, we are victim of circumstances. Sometimes we are basically not at fault, and we are just part of the things that's happening in this world, that we are affected. It's like a domino effect, like a butterfly effect in science. And there's always that opposite reaction as well on what we do. So if we keep on holding on, if we keep on really trying to fix things, but it's unfixable, at the end you are wasting time, you're wasting your energy, you're wasting your effort. Time to look after yourself, because no one else will. No one else will. It's not too late. It's not too late. Don't wait for it to be too late. Don't struggle more. Don't cry more. Don't get hurt more. Maybe it's time to snap out of that thinking that things will fall according to what you want. Sometimes, things happen. Things fall apart. We just have to accept it. It's all about acceptance sometimes. My friend, it's hard for me to share this video, because I believe that, especially marriage, I believe that you should be really fighting for it, for better or for worse. Diba? Sabi, for richer, for poor, till death do you part, diba? Or do us part, diba? Yung mga ganun. But my friend, what if your happiness, your joy, the peace that you're looking at, is not based on that person, or not because being together in that person? That's why the world is pulling you apart. There's so many circumstances, so many problems. What if it's all the sign that you should give up that relationship, that you should give him or her, and be civil about it? Something to think about, my friend. And I hope and pray that you'll find your peace, you'll find your joy. There's hope. There's hope together. There's hope being alone. So don't get scared of being alone. Sometimes being alone is what you need to realize, to see what your purpose is. So my friend, I know it's a bit long, but I hope that you pick up something Let me know in the comment if this resonate to you. Let me know in the comment if there's something that you able to relate, or you able to pick up from this content on this video. And I hope and pray that, my friend, the light, all this wisdom, all these prayers for you will be answered. God bless, my friend. Take care. Stay safe. Be joyful. Be at peace. Until next time. Peace be with you. Be happy. You can do it. Till next time.